I'm just going to show you another way to do this Milky Ombre, which is trending at the moment. I've done a couple of other videos showing you how to do a different one, but then I've realized you can do it like this too. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to do it. So for this video, I'm going to use Fresh Start, Happy Days, base coat and French white. So it's 4 drops of base coat to 1 drop of French white and mix thoroughly. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my tip, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do an outline of both colours, ombre in the middle, and I'll show you what to do after that. So I'm just going to move these colours. So this is just an alternative way that you could do this if you know you wanted. It's just a quick and easy way. So you just pick up your green, and you're just going to outline to halfway. Okay, so you want a nice amount. Don't be careful, you need to give, you know, like a good amount around there. Alright, so what I'm going to do is just wipe my brush. So I'm just going to get a melt blown white and some prep and scrub, and I'm just going to wipe my brush, and then I'm going to pick up Happy Days, and again I'm just going to pop it round. So again, a nice amount, don't be mean. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm just going to pop my brush to one side, and I'm going to pick up another brush which I can use for dragging back. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start here, and I'm going to start to pull the paint back. So I'm pulling the gel, I do apologise if you can hear little grunts. We are working from home at the moment as it is still lockdown, so my little puppy likes to keep popping into the room. Okay. Once I'm happy with that side, sorry, knocked the camera, I'm then going to just ombre quickly here. So I'm just going to gently blend them and gently blend these. Make sure you wipe your brush and make between, and then I'm going to do exactly the same to Happy Days. I'm just dragging it into the centre, leaving a nice thick border of bright colour. Okay. If you feel like you've gotten rid of that, you can just like add a little bit like I did there, because you don't want that thickness to disappear, because that's your more pigment area that you need to get that look. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm then just gonna drag this through the middle and just take off some of the thick, so it doesn't need to be there. Okay, so once I've got like this and I'm happy with it, I'm going to pop it in the lamp for 30 seconds. What I'm going to do now is get my French white and base that I've mixed here, and we're going to get our tip back. I'm going to pick a good amount up, and I'm just going to put it all over the nail. So I'm just dragging it all over the nail, so it's the same as before. Okay, and then I'm going to get a good amount and I'm going to float it down. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to float it down. So I'm going to pick up another big lump and again starting to float. It down. Okay, and just let that settle. Okay, once you've got it like that, turn it upside down now and let the polish pull to the center, which will give you that lovely bright border with the creamy white in the middle. I do apologise about the noise, my puppies are playing on my little settee in the office with the blanket. They're just having a little party, I think. So once you've done that, turn it over. You can see that that's exposed that nice bright border, and you're going to cure it. Okay, so I've got that now, so I'm just going to top coat this. So good amount of top coat on. Put it over your brush. And then upside down again, just to let that top coat pull, just to even it out so you can't tell where you've put your milky white in the middle. Alright, so once you're happy with that, actually I'm not happy with that. I do want a little bit extra on there. Check it again. Right, now I'm going to pop him in the lamp for the final 30 seconds. Okay, so that's coming down to the last few. So this is what we're looking for. Okay, and we are going to, and there you go. So we have 2 ombres with milky white in the middle. So the milky white ombre, which is another technique for doing this nail. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope to see some of your creations very soon. See you in the next video. Bye bye.